Hey guys! To get an updated tour of my closet and beauty room, keep watching! This is walking in the door, and if you guys saw my other beauty room tour, I've got a few new things, and pretty much everything that I got is from Amazon, and I will link everything below. And if you have any questions about where I got anything, just ask in the comments below. This whole room is literally done on a budget, and I love the way it turned out. We didn't want to spend a lot of money on this because we are renting right now, and we're going to wait until we buy a house to get built-ins. So in order to get something similar, I got 1, 2, 3 bookcases, and I adjusted the shelves so that I could put whatever I wanted on there. Now this is what you guys see when I'm filming my makeup videos. So what I did is I got these tension rods that you can basically put anywhere. They have a spring, and I just put a curtain so I can close that off so you don't see my boots when I'm filming. For storage, I love these fabric boxes. You can get them in any color. They have so many different patterns. And these necklace holders are awesome. They're practical. I can store all of my necklaces on them, and I absolutely love the way they look. I've swapped out all of my gold jewelry up there for silver now that I'm letting my natural gray hair grow out. I am totally obsessed with silver. I have 2 of these mannequins which I use to put my capes and my necklaces on. I just kind of piled them all on. And then I've got a little storage area over here. I love these metal racks. And I got this trim and I just glue gunned it on this strip just so it would look a little fancy. And then I bought these hooks, these decorative hooks, and my husband took a piece of wood and painted it a nice long piece so I could put all of my scarves on there. I can fit so much on these racks, and what we did is put some plexiglass so that things won't fall through the metal wire. So I can use that as storage, and I love that I can keep my winter coats right in my closet with me. That was like one of my dreams that I had in my vision book, is literally to have all of the clothes, jewelry, makeup, everything all in one room. And it actually happened, you guys. I'm going to do a video of how I created my vision book and exactly what I did if you guys are interested in that. And I got this belt. This is really for belts, but I just use it for more scarves. I'm obsessed with scarves. And my mama got me that angel holding onto the star, which I love. And I just put a hook right into the wall, and these are actually a bracelet that I took apart, and I just glue gunned them on there to give it a little glam. And all of these lights up here we got from IKEA, and in the last video that I did, I went into more detail about the lights. These are perfect when you don't have lights in your closet and you can't hardwire them, and I will link those below. And I swapped out all of my hangers for these felt hangers. I think that looks so much nicer. I had just like a mix mosh of all different hangers before. Actually, this closet seriously needs to be organized. I kind of just threw all my clothes in there. And I got these little cubes, which I love. You can fit so many shoes in there. You can fit shoes on top, and it's perfect just to put right in a closet. Here is another mannequin that I got. These are so awesome for storing necklaces, and I just think they look so cool. These are just little pictures that I cut out of a magazine and framed. And here is another metal rack. I use this for all my handbags. It's like the perfect size. It's like it was made for this. And one of my subscribers, Sharon, sent me this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous Michael Kors bag with this adorable plate. Thank you so much, Sharon. I've got my hats stored up here, and my vests and blazers. And down here I've got my activewear tops. And I got this coat rack, which works so perfect for my long-handled handbags. Can put hats on top. And I got this decorative hooks. It's like on a rack where I can store more jewelry right on the wall. And I made this jewelry storage out of an old wooden picture frame, and I just took the glass out and I bought all of these earring holders and just used regular cup hooks that I screwed right in to the frame. And to attach it to a wall, I used the 3M Velcro, which I absolutely love. You don't destroy your wall, and it holds super good. Over here, I have some belt storage, and I just put that right on a hook on the wall. And these are so awesome because you can open them up and just slip your belts off instead of it being a big clustered mess. It's super easy to find your belts. And here's another metal rack that I put right into a closet and took the doors off. I love how this looks. I can see everything that I need to get. And it just gives that really nice boutique-y look because you can see everything all laid out. Then over there is the door to the bathroom, and I just hung a curtain over the door. And this is where I film and do my makeup. And if you guys saw my last beauty room tour, you may notice that my vanity was black, and my husband actually painted it white. He's so amazing. He spray painted everything for me. He painted this big mirror for me, and this mirror over here. And I think it just lightens the room up so much. All of these pictures I got out of magazines and just put into random frames. And I love this quote. She believed she could, so she did. That's a wall decal. And I have my ring light, my camera. Those vanity lights on either side of the ring light are wired, so you can just plug them right into the wall. And I'll link my old beauty room video below. And at the end of the video, my husband shows how he wired those. So you can just make them yourself if you can't hardwire. This is where I store my makeup, and I really don't have that much makeup, you guys. I just really keep what I need. I just use like little plastic cups to store my brushes. And these plastic storage containers are so perfect to put palettes in. And I absolutely love these drawers. This is so perfect to organize everything. I've got my liquid eyeliner, my pencil eyeliner, and the gel. All of my concealers, powders, blush and highlighter, my eyebrow stuff, and mascara. Then I've got all of my face stuff over here that I use, and I just got this brush cleaner from BH Cosmetics. This is amazing. You just put it on a paper towel and wipe your brushes off. It works so good. We have this piece of glass made to put on top of the vanity. And I just store some hair stuff in there. Oh, and these I also bought separate. They work so perfect to organize everything. These I also bought separate to put on here. More hair stuff and my Neutrogena wipes. See how nice and organized? Can fit everything in there. I love not having to search for everything. More hair stuff. Just junk in there. And I also got this chair from Amazon, super comfy. And over here, I store more of my makeup right on the wall. This is like the perfect place when you need space. And these are actually spice racks that I got. And you just screw them right into the wall and you can literally fit anything in there. And then these are just shelves. I put 2 shelves right next to each other with these lipstick containers on top. And more spice racks. Then right next to where I do my makeup, I have my hair area. So I can sit in the same chair and do my hair. And this is the most amazing little hair caddy. In my last video, you guys might notice that all of this stuff over here was dark brown. So the dressers are all new from Amazon. But this used to be dark brown, and that's another thing that hubby painted for me. So it's got a little drawer to keep combs in. You can fit all of your hair products. And I've got my hair dryer, curling iron, and flat iron, which unfortunately I can't use right now because my bleach damaged hair is healing. But I love how I can just hide all the cords and there is nothing sticking out. Before I had like the worst cord mess, and now it's just like perfectly organized over there. These dressers are amazing. They were super inexpensive. I just swapped out the knobs for these crystal knobs. I think that dresses them up so much. And I've just got all of my hair stuff in the top drawer. And this is my heat protector mat that I use to put my curling iron and flat iron on so it doesn't burn the dresser. Absolutely love it. And I've just got more stuff stored in here. There's like so much room to basically put anything you need. More junk. And this is a kitchen canister that I have my sponges in, which I really haven't been using my sponges since I went back to using the Almay Smart Shade makeup, which goes on so much better with your fingers. Then I've just got some more makeup stored in these little drawers. And my perfume. And this little cup. And this gold rose that my daughter got me for Mother's Day a few years ago. And just some more storage over there. And I've got everything organized in these drawers. Here I've got all of my bralettes and sports bras. Here I've got all the undies, and I use these plastic bins to keep everything organized. And I've got bathing suits in this drawer. And all of my bras are organized, again, in the plastic bins so they don't get all bent. And I've got all of my shapers and garters. More bathing suits, and you can see how easy these drawers go in. They don't get stuck at all. Got my salt lamp, which I literally leave that on 24/7. And I used to volunteer for Look Good, Feel Better right before I got married and lived in Connecticut in 2015. Unfortunately, I stopped volunteering there when I got really sick and I was waiting to have my full abdominal repair with mesh. But I am so grateful that I had the 3 years volunteering that I did. So in here, I've got all of my leggings, active wear. More leggings. And a bunch of shirts, tank tops, t-shirts. Shorts. And we're back to where we started. So over here in the center, I have these rolling garment racks, and these are so awesome. They have a bar on the bottom and the top, and I've just got some boots hanging on this rack. And I kind of use this just for stuff that I'm wearing a lot. These are all the new sweaters that I did in my winter haul. And over here, this is actually all the stuff that I've got listed on Poshmark right now. And today I just listed this amazing winter jacket. It is super comfortable. I just washed it. It's all clean. And the only reason I'm getting rid of this is because these colors do not work anymore. So I just bought myself a bright white jacket that will go with my silver hair and a black jacket. So if you guys are interested in buying this, it is on Poshmark right now at Beauty 101 by Lisa. And I'll hold up a white shirt next to this so you can see that it's not a white, it's kind of like a cream color. It's absolutely beautiful. When I had my brown and blonde hair, this jacket looked amazing. So if you guys have any other color hair than gray, this jacket will look gorgeous on you. So that's it, you guys. This is my beauty room where all the magic happens. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.